Wagwan guys, big up on yourself on this clean day. Glad to be alive and glad to be up. Now today in the program, we'll be talking about the apparent falling out between Govana and Idonia. Idonia. Bang. Alright, so before we go any further, I just ask you guys to subscribe, and if you want the latest videos, click the bell. Now, here we go now, people. Govana and Idonia are two of Jamaica's closest friends present time. And to know close they are, it's Idonia that brought Govana to the attention of people because they've been around so long. So let me give you a quick history of Idonia. Let me give you a little piece of Govana, and then me tell you what go on. So Idonia came to stardom or came to fame in 2002. Wait, he did this song, Charlie with the lolly in your mouth. You can check it out. Girl, you look so Charlie with the lolly in your mouth. You're doing something folly in your mouth. Yeah, that song there. And ever since then, he was with around like Bounty Killer in the Alliance. And Alliance was featured by like Movado, Vybz Kartel, Busy Signal. The same Aidonia here. Bling Dog, Keep Rich, Wayne Marshall. All of those people made up the Alliance. And then Aidonia now branched off. Well, at one point he was with Vybz Kartel in the Portmore Empire. Well, that would be the branch for Vybz Kartel. And they had a falling out, and Aidonia went underground for a while, resurfaced. And when he resurfaced, now he has his own thing, GOP, Jaguan Production. So all those times, Governor, who was at the time Diablo, was, I would say, parring with him, staying around him and trying to learn the craft. Governor has been around with him about 10 years before he came to fame. And they did a couple collab. They did Breeze. Breeze. And this one, So We Run Road. Yeah, that's one, another one. But Idonia, Sheldon Lawrence, is known as one of Jamaica's best lyricists. I have him as a very much underachieved person because very lyrical and he's very, very, very creative. If you call the top 5 most creative artists in Jamaica, Idonia being that. So he is known as one of Jamaica's lyricists, and he had a falling out with Massacre at one point, and they were bitter rival. And it created a lot of songs, push out Massacre's creativity and also Idonia. But he had fallen out with many artists. And that sometimes make you get more creative because you want to write to, wipe out people, as they would say. Many people say that during the time with Massacre, people say that Governor was the one who stayed on the battle keep of Massacre from hurting Idonia lyrically. This came to culmination now when this stage show here went in the background, where Idonia, after dropping some of his original bangers, he lists out a number of artists that he or bigging up, so to speak, and he called out Pablo YG, Massacre, Movado, Vybz Kartel, so many of the artists, and he did not call out Governor. Now, at that point, it became so evident that they were not friends anymore when someone in the crowd asked, "What about Governor?" And he was repeatedly saying he can't hear, and he move on. So, everybody say, yes, this is it. So it was a subliminal attempt by Idonia to show that they are not friends anymore. So he did that, and also he made it so clear. Now, as to what really caused it, we don't know. We absolutely don't know at this point. Until one of them break them silence, or someone who is close to any of them, or both of them, or someone from the media fraternity come out and say it. I can't say, and I don't want to speculate, because here what now? You see, some of these feud, it's best for people to sit it out, because, and in this case, I would say this is one of them that just sit out, because as I said, they were close friends. Idonia lost his son the other day, and from then I can say I haven't seen Governor around much with him. So it can be from that angle, because people are saying that at the funeral they did not see Governor on the video that was shown. And if Governor is not there, you know, people notice because, as I said, there are very, very close people. But really and truly can't speculate and don't want to get too much in it because, as I say, for a friendship like Governor and Idonia, it must be something very, very deep, very, very deep to have these two almost say blood brothers. So people, I would say my thing is that, you know, show respect to these guys because what happened, they are real friends and, you know, give support. And I hope, you know, one day they will just make things work because at the end of the day, we are one culture, one set of people. And even people from outside of the culture and from the country still look up to these people and still look to music and get inspiration from them. So for the goodness of the dancehall, I say I hope they make it up back. So I'm gonna play the audio of Idonia calling out the artist's name. So I'll also let you know that this video is courtesy of Jamaica Chat, and I have to give them a shout out for it for providing such beautiful quality. So this is Duke Rick once more saying peace out. Take it away.
She sing this. She sing this. Alright, here we are going now. Here we are going now, sirs. We are setting up all like artists then. Valiant, big up your damn self. Diplomats. Skank, big up your damn self. See, me I say big up my father. Me I say big up Alkaline. Me I say big up Papa. See, me I say big up Vybz Kartel. See, you know me and my booze, though. Me I say big up Massacre. See, me I say big up Chronic Law. Rachawal, Pablo YG. See, see. But here we are going now. From 2005. Big up who? Who? Me not hear what you say. But here we are going now. From 2005. You rate me as one of the baddest lyricists. And me never fail, you know. Me never yet fail, you know. And I know I said, no boy can't do this in a real life.
Yeah.
No boy can't catch my panda. Try ya. One. If you don't want lyrics, say lyrics. Say lyrics. Say lyrics. Say lyrics. Let it up. Squeeze up the trigger, on the cigar, clap on your head and the one in your head is bigger than a gizzard. Them dead because of them this the loss. Magical and Diablo, the funny man like Shibada can't cross the border. Horror disaster, shot by them like Chihuahua. Bust head with the 4-4 revolver, or will spin like wheel pan, fit on a target. Shoot off and miss a battle, better bad your head get licked off. Chop on the plaza, kill people at night time. But a broad day like killing, we rather me walk with them to gun magnum shot. Don't tell chunk on the rifle, big alpha. Him with the AK, come with the telescope on top of the gun, see far. Some boy they run them ends on the six, them that I feel like Idonia. Water step, make them a play that me no right by the front pan the corner. Searching my finger must be from everyone and they go look at king like it's a